Hi everyone, today we're going to be making cakes.
And they should look like this at the end of the video.
Okay. And what do you need?
So we need milk,
one egg, and butter, and a cup, a measuring cup.
Okay, what's in the packet?
So we have these
Cupcake trays.
Yeah.
Okay, count them out, Jamie, please.
There's 1, 2.
What's that, Christian?
This is
3.
cupcake mix.
Perfect. What else is in there?
So there
5,
is
6.
cupcake icing.
Okay, anything else?
And there is some sprinkles.
Okay, what's going on now?
So we'll crack 1 egg, which I'm doing.
Excellent job.
Now I'm going to pour 80 grams of milk in here.
Are you going to add the cake mix, Christian?
Yes.
Is it open already, or do you need to open it? Okay, so where are we at now? What's going on?
So I'm going to pour the cake mix in, and
Okay.
make sure you pour all of it in.
Yep. Gently. Don't spill it.
Make sure to get every single bit of it. Thank you. Now I'm going to pour the milk.
Okay. Now you're going to mix it up. Oh no, we need the butter.
Now we
We need 4 teaspoons of butter.
So we need 4 teaspoons of butter.
I let my brother do this bit because sometimes I put in too much.
Teaspoon. I've put the spoon there for you. Tablespoon. Big ones. Help him out. You can use your finger, as long as your finger's clean.
Are they clean?
Yes. There we go. 1. Two.
Get that bit off. 3.
Okay, that'll do. Now just try and mix it. It's going to be a bit of a pain to mix, but try and mix it in. You might need a fork, but it would be best.
So now we are going to pour this mixture into the cupcakes.
Come on then.
So you pour 3 spoons of cupcake mix into the cupcake
Move it closer.
trays. 2. Do a big one.
No, don't do a big one. Just do it so you don't waste it.
3.
Okay.
So we have did 3 spoonfuls. Now my brother is going to have a go. It's called Jamie. Jamie had a channel on his one.
Mhm. Don't touch.
We are sorry about our little brother. Yeah.
Done. So my dad's putting in the cake mix, and now he's gonna open the oven, and he's got the cake mix. Now he's gonna put them in there for 18 minutes. Then I'm gonna set a timer on my iPad for 18 minutes, and if we just press start.
Okay, what's going on now?
So we're making the icing whilst the cakes are in the oven. So now we're going to pour it all in.
Christian, do you want to get a fork? Because we're going to need to mix it.
Make sure to get every bit. I've made a mess for a little bit.
It's okay.
We're just waiting for my brother to just get something.
Okay. Brother, are you back?
Yes, I'm back.
Okay, put the butter in then.
So it looks like a white consistency, like this. Now I'm going to pour lots of butter.
Perfect.
I don't know how much it is. Then we're just going to mix it.
Slowly. There you go. Keep
Mix
going.
it really slowly. And make sure don't make a mess. I'm trying not to. So I might let my brother handle this because I'm starting to make a mess.
This one's a bit tricky.
So after a few whisks, it should look like this.
Keep going. Make
So
sure.
this is basically the icing.
Yeah.
We're just giving it a last whisk.
Oh, what's going on? Who's baking?
So we're on a break time. We're just going to turn the switch until it stops.
And we got our Nintendo Switch for Christmas and it's multiplayer. So let's just get on with it.
Okay, how much more time we got?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The time is done.
Okay.
So our time is done.
Okay, so you finished playing on your Nintendo Switch.
Yes.
What's going on now?
So now so we got the icing, which we made.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna pour a bit of icing on each cake.
Good job. Show me one that you've done then. Nice. Nice. What are you doing now?
So we are sprinkling the sprinkles on, which we can't open at the start of the video. Sometimes we had to stop a bit and we're just sprinkling
Go on then.
them on.
Don't pour too many because you need to. Well, too much.
So you can see my brother pouring the sprinkles on.
So now I'm going to use the rest of these on my last cake.
Alright. So you just need to leave it to dry now.
Yep, so we are leaving them to dry. Maybe we might play on the Nintendo Switch again, which we got for Christmas, or we might just carry on playing on our iPads. So we have got our cakes ready. They haven't really turned out, and if you look here, there's 3 more there.
Okay, let's see the test. Let's see whether or not they're actually nice.
Alright, so let's just see.
So we're going to open them up.
Leo's eating his one already. He
Yeah,
seems to think it's okay.
Let's just do it, and let's just eat it.
Eat it.
Wow, that looks cool.
Jamie, how's yours?
Amazing.